Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Adding Python to the path in Linux allows you to run Python commands from any terminal window without having to specify the full path to the Python interpreter. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to add Python to the path on Linux, along with code examples. Make sure Python is installed on your system. You can install it using your package manager. For example, on Ubuntu, you can use replace Python 3 with Python if you're using Python 2. Determine the installation path of Python. You can use the which command. This command will output the path to the Python interpreter. Note this path for the next step. Open your shell profile file, .bashrc for bash, .zshrc for zsh, etc., in a text editor. You can use Nano, Vim, or any other editor you prefer. For example, add the following line at the end of the file, replacing /path/to/python with the actual path you obtained in step 2. For example, if the path is /usr/bin/python3, the line should be. Save the changes and exit the text editor. If you're using Nano, press Ctrl+X, then press Y to confirm the changes, and press Enter to exit. To apply the changes immediately, you can either close and reopen your terminal or run the following command. Verify that Python has been added to the path by running. This should display the version of Python installed on your system. Now you've successfully added Python to the path on Linux. You can run Python commands from any terminal window without specifying the full path to the interpreter. ChatGPT.